Kama uko Kenya and you want to build a legit online business, then here is the secret. First, build a personal brand. Your personal brand will help you get started with any business. So how do you build a personal brand? So first you have to choose a topic that you like talking about and make sure it is within this niche. Health and wellness, wealth, that is make money niche, relationship, and you can also do the home and garden and also kitchen niche. Those are the best niches that people love. Also, you can start a baby niche, baby products, and start talking about different topics on those niches. So if you are in the make money online niche like me, choose a topic like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and talk about and offer solution. People want to learn about digital marketing, and if you have a product that teaches people on that, you can refer them to those products. Same case to Udemy. You can go and learn some skills, and it's very cheap, $10, and you make money just investing in a skill, learning the skill and implementing. And just with $10, isn't worth it? Just $10 and you learn a skill. So here is the catch. Implementing the skill is where people go wrong. They don't take action. They expect that taking a course without taking action will bring money. So go and take action, because most people don't take action. And that's why there is opportunity for many of us to make tons of money online. Take action. Don't be scared when it comes to showing your face, because this is where people connect with you. And that's the fastest way to make money. If you compare a team page and someone who is showing their face, the one who is making money is someone who is showing their face, because customers can relate with you, unlike team pages where someone is just posting pictures. So if you want to run team pages and also show your face, you can also combine the two and it will work magic. So if you want to learn about making money online through affiliate marketing, you can always reach out to me and I'll be ready to guide you. This is the best time to start an online business. But remember, this is just for serious people who are dedicated to make money and work online.